This travel vlog recalls my New Year day in London. This is my first time to celebrate the New Year in the UK. Very exciting. Let's go. I'm on my way now. Finally, I'm in London and I'm going to queue up and watch the New Year's Eve firework. But I bought a ticket for New Year's Eve firework too late. At that time, only the red area was left, where is a side view further than wherever from the London Eye. Maybe the view won't be that good, but the most important is to feel the atmosphere of the celebration. It's 5 o'clock now, just finished my video shoot. And I have to go to sleep. Bye-bye. Next day, I went to Camden Market, where is a diverse community of creative sellers. Also, there has another way to get to Camden Market is to take one of these little canal booths. I spent the day mainly in the West Yard, which with lots of street food. There have 34 different food vendors in this market. They are all delicious, so you can see lots of people spend their first day of the new year here. After hanging around the market, it's time to back to Liverpool. Bye bye! And if you enjoy watching my video, please thumb up and leave your comments for it.